like I said, I've said, this was not my intent, writing the books, but in writing the books, you see, people believe too much. You read the damn book. See? And you go, yeah, oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, I believe it. Yeah, sure. You must be right. You wrote a book. Or whatever, I don't know what the dynamic is. But, see, in the old days, before the books, in the old days, people challenged me all the time. We get, no, that can't be the case. What? No, I don't like that. This is wrong. This is not right. Like, cool. See, and then we get to, roll up our sleeves and dig in and see what's what. See? Yeah. So don't, roll over and play dead, okay? See? So same kind of deal, you see? Care needs to be taken whenever you get a body of knowledge and then you hear it. Oh yeah. See? Like this, watch. You see this table? I'm going to call this a table if that's okay with you. All right? See the table here? Now, you have glanced at this table, right? You saw it. I mean, it's not of great import, so you probably just went, like that, see? And you moved on, right? See? You saw the table and you moved on. Why? Well, because you know what a table is. There's no reason to spend a lot of time with a table. You've identified it. Table, got it. Chair, got it. Blue, got it. See? And you move on. It's no problem. Now, let's do an experiment. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is look at this object and take the table off. Okay? So it's no longer a table. It's no longer a table. It's okay, you don't know what it is, it's all right, but just look at this object, and it's not a table anymore. What happens? Now, watch. Make it a table again. See, just put the label table back onto table. See, the moment it becomes a table, it becomes a one and a done. Right? So that's the danger, you see? Mm-hmm. That's why I keep changing names. Because it becomes a one and done. You see, it's like, oh, I got that. See? And I change the name. What's that? What's that? Hey.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.